Hi guys, welcome back to Family Life Daily Ideas. Today we will be celebrating our fathers. Yes, a great big shout out to all our men out there who are holding down their responsibilities, who go out every day to provide a living for their family. Now we all know how our men loves their cars. This is the perfect gift to give to your dad, your husband, your loved ones. Now this gift basket has all of the goodies he will need to keep his car clean and shiny. We have our glass cleaner, glass towels, leather seat protectant, tire foam cleaner, wax and wash, 2-in-1 mitt in order to clean that car, and we have our microfiber drying cloth. Follow along as I give you guys a quick example of how to put this beautiful piece together. Let's go! I found this really cute yellow colorful basket. It is perfect. It goes well with our theme. I am using this brown paper. You can use newspaper, old pieces of magazine in order to fill up your container. I won't just put that brown paper in the container. I will be covering it up with some beautiful yellow colored craft paper. Here's a quick tip. Go ahead and remove all of the hanging tags that are on your items. This will give it a more polished look. I will be placing the microfiber cloth in the container, but I will not put it all the way in and let a little piece hang right off. That will give it a more beautiful polished look also. Bear in mind, I am just giving you a quick example of how I'm placing these items in the basket. Remember, you can use glue dots or clear tape in order to hold your items in place, okay? Sprinkle on some of that white Easter grass. This is not a plastic, it is paper. The paper Easter grass. It's so pretty. So far, looking good. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. How do you think it's coming along? Finally, adding in the last product in our basket. This is coming along so nicely. The blue just gives it that wonderful pop. Let me know what you think. Wow, this looks already so amazing. Yes, every dad deserves this beautiful basket. Let's not only show love to our fathers only on Father's Day, but do this every single day. Every day, let them know how much you appreciate them, how much they're loved, how much you admire them. Let them know every single day how much they mean to you. Hey, guess what? This is my first time using the shrink wrap. Wish me luck! I have already placed the basket inside of the bag. Now I am tying it with a pipe cleaner. That's the easiest thing to tie your basket bags with. Go ahead and do that. So after tying the bag, it was way too long, so I had to cut the top of it off a little bit. So now it looks really cute and a beautiful gather is formed on top. And now we are gonna use the heat gun. Before I use the heat gun, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of these little extra pieces here on the side. We simply use some tape and stick it right to the back. And here we go. We are about to use the heat gun. It's on medium or on low heat. So go ahead and use that heat gun on your bag. It gives it such a beautiful and professional look. All of those excess extra pieces of plastic will just basically melt away in front of your eyes, and you will get a beautiful polished look. You can even sell these baskets, honey. You can go ahead and make that money, baby. Get that money.
Happy Father's Day. You are an amazing father. You always know what to say, what to do, and how to make me feel special and loved. And so today, a day devoted to you. I am hoping that you are feeling appreciated and loved, because you are. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the world.
Oh, guys, give Miss Angeline a shout out in the comments. She did so wonderful on this poem.
Happy Father's Day. You are an amazing father. You always know what to say, what to do, and how to make me feel special and loved. And so today, a day devoted to you. I am hoping that you are feeling appreciated and loved, because you are. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the world.
Now we have come to the end of our video. I hope that you have enjoyed it just as much as I have enjoyed creating it for you. Now don't forget to show your daddy love and appreciation every day of the year. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment. Subscribe, comment, and share with another loved one. Here are some bonus ideas of how you can create a very simple gift for Father's Day or even for a small business. They are not expensive. I spent less than $10 in each of these cups. So go ahead and be inspired from Family Life Daily Ideas. And I'll see you in the next video.